Arrow card and Mission Lane can have different APRs depending on the specific card offer, applicant profile, and approval terms, so there is no single APR that applies to everyone. By the end, you'll know how to compare Arrow card and Mission Lane APR offers, what costs to check before applying, and how to choose the card that fits your situation. The first thing to compare is the actual APR shown in your offer. The APR is the yearly interest rate charged when you carry a balance, and the rate you receive may depend on the terms provided to you. A lower APR can reduce the cost of carrying a balance, but APR is only one part of the total cost of a credit card. When comparing Arrow card and Mission Lane, check the full pricing information for each card. Look at the APR, annual fees if any, late payment fees, and any other charges listed in the card agreement. The card with the lower APR is usually the better option if you expect to carry a balance. If you pay your full statement balance every month, the APR may matter less because you can avoid interest charges on purchases. Your approval terms can also depend on your financial profile. Two people applying for the same card may receive different offers based on the information reviewed during the application process. Before applying, check your credit information and make sure your personal details are accurate. Errors in your credit report or application information can affect the review process. Another thing to consider is the purpose of the card. Some people focus on building credit, while others prioritize lower borrowing costs. The right choice depends on which feature matters most for your situation. Do not compare cards using only advertisements or general descriptions. Compare the actual offer you receive and read the card terms before accepting. Arrow card and Mission Lane may both be useful options, but the better choice depends on the APR and terms available to you. The key points are simple. Compare the APR you are actually offered, review all card fees, and choose based on how you plan to use the card. Your next step is to check the official terms for both cards and compare the total cost before making a decision. Subscribe for more clear explanations about credit cards, approval decisions, and personal finance.